Look at that. We got some serious snow in the shelter. Oh. Oh. Yep, those are frozen solid. Oh my goodness. Holy mackerel. Look at that. The wall is completely buried. It's got to be gusting 50 miles per hour out here. It's hard to stand up. Look at this. Oh. Well, looks like I got some digging to do if I want to make breakfast. There's so much snow being blown into the trench, I don't think I can get the stove lit out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook inside here. For breakfast, we got something called the Bandito Scramble. We're gonna try my Bandito Scramble. That is not appetizing. I'm gonna eat some trail mix so my mouth will stop being angry at me. Oh.